Hey, what's up everyone? It's Frankie with Frankie for Life. I'm back with another tech tip. So we're going to show you how to use Steps Recorder today. So have you ever had a need to show a friend or a family member how to make a settings change or how to do something on their computer? Perhaps they needed to make a change inside of Outlook, or maybe they needed to figure out how to change something on their desktop, or maybe they needed to figure out how to make a change or get to a certain spot in Control Panel. Or maybe there's some program that they're using that you know about, that you know how to turn on something or turn something off that they need to turn off. And you just need to be able to show them how to do that. Well, you can use Steps Recorder, which is built right into Windows, to do this. So what it'll do is it'll record your steps as you're doing them. It'll take screenshots. It'll allow you to then edit those screenshots and explain what you're doing for each step. And then you can save that as a web page and send it to them. So I'm going to show you how this works. So if you click on the search button or in the search box and type Steps Recorder, it'll bring up the Steps Recorder program. And so what we're going to do is click Start Record, and we're going to show you how to change the wallpaper on a computer. In my case, I have 3 monitors, and I want to show you how to change the wallpaper on each monitor so that each monitor has a different wallpaper. So I'll show you how to do that. We're going to record the steps. So you'll just hit Start Record, and we'll just go through the process. Now it's not recording my voice or anything, but it's recording the steps you're taking with your mouse. So we're going to right click, we're going to go down to Personalize. We're going to click on Background. And under Recent Images, I have some images here, but if you don't have recent images, you'll have to click on Choose a Folder or Choose a Photo and then Add a Photo. And it's going to make that photo on all your monitors. And then you can add a second photo. It'll make that on all your monitors. And then if you want to make them different on each monitor, this is where you'll have some images under Recent Images. So then what you can do is you can right click on an image and you can make that your background to whichever monitor you want. In my case, I have 3 monitors showing up, so I'm going to put that as the wallpaper for monitor 2. That's the one I'm working with here. And then on my other monitor, I want to change that wallpaper. And so I click on it and it changes the wallpaper. If I just left click, it changes the wallpaper to the same one on all my monitors. But if I right click, then I can change it to one specific monitor. And that same image, if I right click on it, I can set it to just one monitor. And I can take this image and make this my other monitor. So right now, all 3 of my monitors have different wallpaper. Now, of course, it didn't record what I said or what I was saying to you, but it recorded the steps and it took screenshots of it. And so now I can edit each one of those steps and tell my friend or my family member what they need to do in order to do whatever it is I was trying to help them with. So if we come up here to Stop and Review, you'll notice Steps Recorder recorded the data in a file. And so we can scroll down and we can see all of the different wallpaper screenshots that it took, and we can edit each one of those steps. And so if you notice here under step 1, user right clicked. Well, I need to give them more detail, so you can click Add Comment and you can actually type out exactly what you did to get to that first step. And then you would do that for step 2 and step 3. And then perhaps you want to add extra information. You could copy this information right from here and you could paste it in Word and do that, add to it that way. If you're happy with what this has done here, you just hit Save and it'll save this file as a zip file. And so in this case, I'm just going to call it Test. It'll save it to your wallpaper or to your desktop. And so now I can, send that to my friend or my relative. And if you open that up, you'll notice it's just a page that will open up in a browser. And then there's all the steps that you take to accomplish whatever it is you want them to do. So this is a quick little tech tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll be back again soon with another one.